What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Maryland Terps How to Grow Cannabis YouTube channel. This is episode 2 of growing cannabis with orange juice. We're currently on day 71. This is the first day of flower, but in today's episode, we're going to get you guys caught up on day 12 through day 24. Day 12. This is the plant that we've been growing with orange juice. The leaves look a little droopy today, so today we are going to give this plant some juice. Every day we check the plant and see if we see any deficiencies, and today I still haven't seen any deficiencies, so let's keep going. This plant right here is the plant that we've been giving milk. I don't see any deficiencies yet, but the growth is really stunted. This time we're juicing the plants inside because I noticed when I juiced them outside, it was attracting a lot of bugs. Now after juicing the plant, we took the plant outside, and this may be a couple of hours later, but you can see our fan leaves, or the leaves in general, just came back up. They're starting to prop back up, and they're looking very good at this point. Day 13, orange juice and milk. Yesterday, we gave the OJ juice. Plant's coming back alive. Still growing. Now it's time. The milk didn't look like it needed a little bit of water yesterday, but now she definitely needs milk. So, day 13. Day 15, 2 days after giving the plants orange juice, and they're still looking good. Yesterday we gave this plant some milk, and the leaves went from laying down to raising back up. So these plants are looking pretty good at this point. Day 17, we told you guys we were going to transplant these plants into a 3-gallon pot, and that's what we're doing today. I wanted to pull this plant out and look at the roots, or see if we have any roots. I definitely could have let this plant go a little bit longer in the 1 gallon, but it's too late now. We got a couple of roots hanging from the bottom, but no side roots really visible. For the nutrients, we're adding Shake and Feed by Miracle Grow, which feeds your plant up to 3 months. We're also adding our water storing crystals, and this is going to help you prevent your plant from under and overwatering your plant. Check out our recent video on how to use the water crystals to prevent your plant from being overwatered. And to activate these water crystals, you have to water or juice your plant a little bit, and then wait a couple of hours later and come back and water and juice them again, and that'll activate the water crystals. Day 17, y'all, we just transplanted orange juice and milk into our 3-gallon pots. Plant still looking pretty healthy, not really in deficiencies. And orange juice almost catching up with water back there. And getting pretty tall now. She's almost catching up, y'all. Almost catching up. And milk, I don't know, the growth look a little bit stunted on milk. But we'll see after we just transplanted. Maybe they just needed some breathing room. But we're gonna keep y'all updated. Day 17, orange juice and milk. Day 22, y'all, we got the plants inside of our tent. And we can tell, let's open this up for a second, that milk needs some lubricant. And milk. Look at milk. Orange juice ain't doing too bad right now, guys. Day 22, orange juice and milk. Right here we are looking at our orange juice plant. Still looking pretty healthy. Don't really see any deficiencies yet. We're going to give it some juice today. That is OJ. And this right here is milk. Still really don't see any deficiencies, just stunning growth with the milk. And we're about to milk her today. You can tell she needs some milk. So let's go ahead and get these plants outside and get them milked and juiced. Here we go, about the juice, the orange juice, planty plant. Juicy juice. This is day 24. Milk and orange juice, guys. This is the milk plant. And I think that milk has run its course, guys. It is time to shut the milk down. It lasted about 25 days, giving it half, 1-1 portion of milk and water. Half water, half milk, and day 25, guys, and it is, yeah, it's done, man. It's done. But here we are, guys. Orange juice over here. Day 25. Got some bugs over here. It's still going. 1-1 ratio. It's still going. So let's see if orange juice continues to grow. But day 25 or day 24, we are shutting down milk, man. I'm not going to waste my money buying any more milk. Milk did not successfully succeed until it's time to shut them down. But before that, can we look at these roots? Let's pull these roots out. Yeah. Hold on. Really no root development. And got a lot of mold buildup in here, mildew, whatever that is. Root development on this one is just ass, guys. Yeah, so milk. But yeah, just orange juice. We're gonna continue to grow orange juice. And this beautiful baby right here, it's my water baby. So she got too big for the tent. We had to take her out the tent. And yeah, but yeah, we're gonna put the orange juice back in the tent. Milk is done.
So we are currently on day 71. And if I'd known I was going to bring these plants in the house, I probably would have topped them a couple of more times. So we're currently in the first week of flower. So if y'all want to see the final product, make sure y'all follow, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so every time we do post a video, y'all get notified. This is the Maryland Terps How to Grow Cannabis YouTube channel. And we out till the next time, baby.